Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to create horizontal pattern in Photoshop and also demonstrate how to use it in some images. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I need to share my screen to how to make it. So what I want to show you. So as you can see here, it's a pattern which I already created. So and just later on, I'm going to apply this pattern in this glitching effect folder. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need to create a new file, just file on the new, and just make sure the size is going to be 3 by 3 pixels and 72, and the background content says transparent. It's transparent. And just create. It's so tiny here, you can't see it. And just zoom or just simply click the navigator here and just zoom in 3200. It's so big, but just go for it. And now you need to grab the pencil tool here, just pencil, right? And then make sure that foreground color is white. That's how I'm going to check it. This now is black. So from here, the bottom, just swap foreground to the background color. Now as foreground color is white, and now just you can carefully line in the middle of the square, the center of the square. 1, 2, 3. Now you got a line, the white line in the middle or the center of the square, and just pretty much finished. Okay, just from edit. Now you need to define a pattern here and just simply name horizontal line. It's pretty simple, just straight away, and just okay. Now you got a horizontal line pattern in your Photoshop. Okay, so how to use it? Okay, demonstrate it. The open and new. For example, 500 or 500 and 72 transparent. Also just click new and then and the bucket tool, and now I need to block this foreground color is white. Just swap over from here to the bottom, just click and the swap over color changing. Okay, now it's just black. Oh, sorry, so just go back a step and from here, and the foreground pattern, not pattern, just foreground. As the foreground is black, let's paint black. And from new layer, just from circle photo, and or just simply just click new layer. Okay, now is changing foreground to pattern, and just put a pattern on. Then now you got pattern. And let's move on how to apply this pattern in your image. Like here, yeah. So I've already created a folder, which is the glitching effect. And okay, the first of all, you're gonna make solid. I've already created a new one. I already created this folder. So which also you can watch my tutorial, like glitching tutorial effect in my channel. So I'm going to put information. So just link information in this video. Okay, just click here and the solid color, and just black, and then just go. And you can't see anything now. And now is from here, and then name it, right click, and then blending option, go. And then you're gonna double click pattern overlay, just now as activated. And if you can't, your pattern you already created, just click from here and you can search it out and hold in the line and just click okay. and this opacity 100% still, and make sure 900 is a big number. So you can change its size, but if you're really tiny, you can't see much. Okay, just let's go back 900. Okay, then just okay, go. Now I can't see it and change its opacity. Just I would say 3 to 5%. Now you can see television effect. It's like a pattern in your image, in my image. Okay, that's pretty much done. So it's your turn to apply a horizontal line in your image. Okay. Okay, also I'm gonna already mentioned you can watch a glitching effect tutorial in my Photoshop channel. Just check it out. Thank you.